outside trying to get these dollars.
I'm running late.
Trying to make more money than life makes problems. New city, new women now. New weather, new leather, I'ma get it now. Trying to test my patience for it. Do, come and get to know me, baby. Do, I've been by my lonely baby.
Alright, I just got my COVID test. Oh my god. I just got my COVID test done, so I'm gonna go back to my place, but before I do that, I am gonna pick up coffee at the convenience store because I want Starbucks coffee. I want like the bottled thing, so I'm gonna get that, but yeah. Outfit is really clean today.
Put it all on me now. You be all I need. Bitch don't need no practice. Take over the atlas. I just need that traction. Then I break her back, you know. Hold her, she a cactus. Clapping with her bad friends. So I don't want no smoke. She gon' smoke to the max, bitch. Jeez. I just walked in. Motherfucker step back, James Harden.
First Monday of the year. Got my coffee. Alexa, what's the weather in Boston?
In Boston, Massachusetts, it's 76 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Today, you can look for partly sunny weather, with a high of 79 degrees and a low of 62 degrees.
Alright everybody, so I am back from class. This morning I left, I think it was like 70 degrees, so I wore this outfit. I'm wearing jeans and a crop top, but I have class in 20 minutes. I have to leave in 10, but yeah, I either always work at Tate or come back to my apartment to do some work, but I have to charge my computer and stuff. But at my school I actually use Outlook, so a lot of our stuff is on like Microsoft Office and it's more compatible with PC products. So I actually have a PC right now which is synced up with all my school accounts. I didn't even show you guys, it's right here. But I also installed Amazon Alexa to my PC so that I can do the voice commands like I did with the weather. Thank you to Amazon Alexa for sponsoring today's video, or this portion of today's video. So anywho, Amazon Alexa is free in the Windows 10 Microsoft Store. When you get a PC, you can install Alexa and have your own personal Alexa without buying the product, which I think is super helpful if you like using Alexa but you don't have one on you at college. On your PC, you can download it for free in the store and you can use it just like an Alexa device. But for Alexa on PCs, you can do everything, all the capabilities, set your alarms, ask the weather, play music, all that fun stuff, and all the commands of Alexa. I like Amazon Alexa on my PC because it'll help me stay productive while I'm studying and really maximize my studying experience, whether or not I want to set an alarm or play certain music while I do work. Alexa is there to assist me, and you can also stay connected with friends and family no matter where you are because Alexa for your PC is with you no matter where you go, and other tasks like that to make your life a little easier while you're at college. So I highly encourage you guys to check it out. I will link all info about Alexa for your PC down below for you guys to download. I am now off to my next class that starts at 11:45 and it is 11:34, so I gotta run. All right, see you guys. I'll come back for this camera because I have to go to the bank later, do all these things. So anywho, Alexa, remind me to schedule a meeting tonight.
Okay, I'll remind you at 10 p.m.
I brought it. For some reason, the classrooms are so cold, so even if it is almost 80 degrees outside, which it doesn't really feel like it, I have to bring a jacket, so I wouldn't be late. So I just left my appointment at the bank. I finished class for the day. Now I'm just on Newberry. I don't really know what else I'm supposed to be doing today, but I'll go home soon. I think I'm just gonna go grab like a smoothie because I haven't really eaten anything. But yeah, all good adulting stuff. I would have vlogged in the bank, but I get way too nervous. So anyway, let's just go. Hi, can I do a avocado smoothie with boba? Alexa, add lemons to my shopping list.
I've added lemons to your shopping list.
Alright everybody, so I'm back home. Oh my god. I guess I'll do a little grocery haul. I went to the grocery store, or I went to Whole Foods, and I haven't been very good at making my meals, so I thought I'd get some stuff that I know how to make pretty quickly. I might make something tonight, so we'll see. But from Whole Foods, I didn't expect to go, so I didn't bring my tote bag, but I have some chicken thighs because I like to make this like Cajun pasta with some chicken. Have that. Have some tomatoes. I'm running out. I bought dill specifically for salmon. So I like making like this like dill lemon salmon situation. So I think I'm gonna make it sometime this week. So I bought some farm raised, I don't even know, salmon, frozen salmon, which I think I could definitely get for cheaper different places, but if I think about it, this bag is 20 bucks and there's 6 fillets in here. That's a pretty cheap meal because I just use a little bits of everything else, so it's not that much more. I think that's fine, but I'll attempt to buy cheaper groceries because I obviously know Whole Foods is a little expensive, but bought 2 bags of penne pasta. So these were like $1 each. I got this packet of Cajun because they didn't have like the normal like big size bottle thing of Cajun seasoning. So I just bought this for now, but I will buy the big one once I run out of this. This was kind of expensive. It was like $3 and it's a tiny little package. Then I bought some cayenne. I don't have this yet. And then I bought gluten-free oyster sauce because that's all they have at Whole Foods. But I'll run out of this pretty quickly. So I'll definitely be buying the big bottle from the Chinese market soon. And then I have some tomato paste. And last but not least, some lemons for my salmon later this week. So that is all I bought at Whole Foods. And then I just ran some other errands. So yeah, I got like a smoothie on Newberry. So haven't done much. I think I might prep food now or see what I should be doing. But yeah, that's what these are now. So.
Yeah, we from the north, baby, the cold made me. I know you can't get enough of me, been up lately. Took you down inside my old Honda, you upgraded. Won't leave my ass alone, but I can give you love, baby. It's just for the night, I won't see you tomorrow. Me and gang been sipping something strong for these sorrows. I work as long as it takes, bitch, I won't borrow. My last done made me a mess and left me hollow. So now my heart's in a body bag. I'm in the mood to go and hurt somebody, yeah. Baby, you know I'm only you one. Then tell you move along. I don't wanna stay too long, cause I'm way too fucking young. Bitch, my heart's in a body bag. I'm in the mood to go and hurt somebody, yeah. Baby, you know I'm only you one. Then tell you move along. I don't wanna stay too long, cause I'm way too fucking young.
Alexa, can you add oat milk to my grocery list?
Oat milk added to grocery.
Okay, I finished making my food. That took longer than I expected, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try it because I have not tried it and I'm feeding Kevin my food, so. Really creamy. Oh wait, I ate it on a fork. I tried to make it al dente and then cook the rest of it in the sauce. But I did leave it on the stove for a little longer, so. Alright, everybody. I just took a shower, so I thought I'd do a little skincare situation with you in my bathroom. So welcome. The lighting is not quite like Vogue, but we're gonna do it. So quick little skincare routine. It is the end of the night and I've just showered and did a little bit of work on Instagram, but now I have to edit a little bit all night. I don't think I have any reading to do. I only have one class tomorrow. So yeah, this is a typical little day in my life at college. I think I did a lot today. I feel like I could have done more. But anyway, the one thing I'm thinking about is what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. I like to have an idea in my head before I sleep because I take forever in the morning to decide stuff. So Alexa, what's the weather tomorrow in Boston?
Here's the forecast for tomorrow in Boston, Massachusetts. Look for partly sunny weather, with a high of 73 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 64 degrees.
All right, so I always check it before I sleep, but I also always check it in the morning because the morning's a little colder. It's usually the low, but I have class at 9:50 tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about it. I literally don't have any of my sweaters unpacked anyway, so it's a good thing it's not too cold in Boston. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up my night editing and sleeping. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you guys want to see more college vlogs and college content, but other than that, that is all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Yeah, we from the north, baby, the cold made me. I know you can't get enough of me, been up lately. Took you down inside my old Honda, you upgraded. Won't leave my ass alone, but I can give you love.